Hello little learners, welcome to your own channel Collective Homeschooling. So today in this video we are going to solve mental math problems. So 1 year age 365 days. Now the second question is dash comes before September. 4 means September से पहले क्या आता है? That is August, then September, then October. Write the number 166. So we are going to represent it by number 166. Double of 30 is. So double of 30 means we are going to add 30 two times. 30 plus 30 equals 60. 100 plus 5 equals 155. So what we are going to write in the middle? So already hundreds place is done and ones place is done. So middle person is 50 because we can say 155. So 100 plus 50 plus 5. In 62, 93, 58, 79, 20, even numbers are, so there are how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are given. And how we are going to identify which is even number? We will check the ones place. So if there is number in ones place, there is 2, 0, 4, 8, 6. Okay, it is an even number. So here 62 is an even number, 20 is an even number, and 58 is an even number. So there are 3 numbers. Now coming to 7. Which number is smallest between 43 and 77? Which number is smaller? 4 is smaller or 7 is smaller? Yes, 4 is smaller. So 43 is the smallest one. Now comes what is the time? So in this clock, what is the time? It's 3 o'clock because hour hand is on 3 and minute hand is on 12. So this is 3 o'clock. Ravis is having 9 sweets which he shares equally between 3 of his friends. So how many do they all get? Okay. So Ravis is having how many sweets? You are going to write 9. So 3 of his friends gets 9 divided by 3. So 3 threes are 9. Of them will get 3 sweets. Okay. You have rupees 40 and you spent rupees 20 in chocolates and rupees 10 in biscuits. How much do you have now? So first you have how much? 40 rupees. Okay. This is the rupees simple. You spend 20 rupees in chocolate. So for chocolate you spend 20 and for biscuits you spent how much? 10 rupees. How much do you have now? So previously you have 40 rupees. Now you spend 20 plus 10, 30 rupees. Now from 40 we are going to minus 30 rupees. So what is the answer? The answer is 10 rupees. Okay. There are 1,000 chairs in a school hall. During an assembly, 863 chairs were occupied. How many chairs were not occupied? There are 1,000 chairs. Okay. During an assembly, how many occupied? 863 occupied. That many people not came in school hall. Okay. So we are going to subtract. So 10 minus 3 because from 0 we can't subtract. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. Now here is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now again here 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay. So if you get this kind of question means you are going to subtract. There are 24 flowers in 4 baskets. Okay. How many flowers? 4 baskets. There are 24 flowers. How many flowers will be there in each basket? Each means each one of the basket. So in one basket, how many flowers? In one basket, we are going to divide by 4. Okay. So 24 divided by 4 is 4. 6 ja 24. So the answer is 6. I am greater than 78 and less than 82. I am 10 less than 90. Who am I? Okay. I am greater than 78 and less than 82. Greater than 78 means 79 and less than 82 means up to 81 we are going to write. Okay. 79, then 80, then 81. Okay. So I am 10 less than 90. So 10 less than 90 means 90 minus 10. So what is the answer? 80. I am the number 80. For 3-digit numbers with 5, 8, 1 and find the smallest 3-digit number among them. Numbers given 5, 8 and 1. So smallest number. So which number is smallest here within 5, 8 and 1? 1 is smallest. Then comes 5. Then comes 8. Is it a 3-digit number? Yes. And is it smallest number? Yes. Thank you for watching, my little friends. I hope you learn a lot how to solve these kind of mental math questions.